Hello, good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful Saturday. Time is around 6:30. I should be near the Qutub Shahi tombs by 7, meeting up with Shoaib. You might have seen him on the ride to, where was it? Gulbarga with Muid. He was on the Triumph Scrambler, yep. So, yeah, same setup again. I have that Jali wala bungee net and the backpack which has the drone. Same setup again. Quite some traffic today. The road rage. Already the second incident that I've seen today. First one, there was on MJ Hector. We just took a right turn suddenly. It was parked on the side of the road, and he suddenly came onto the road, almost hit a... What? This guy hit a small kitten, dude. Third incident. Oh my god. I don't want to see such things. Hurts me. Chalo, I'll keep the vlog short. I haven't told you where we are going. Even I'm not sure. It's around 120 kilometers, I think. The name is... what's its name? Yeah, it's the same one that you see it on the title. The same... there are waterfalls with the same name near the Nagarjun Sagar. See, that's how people are. It's just that you have to be careful, man. Also, recently came across the video from Gurgaon about the biker who was killed in a crash. I'm not sure if you all have seen that video. There was a car coming, XUV 3XO, with the... okay, let's not get into that. He was coming on the wrong side, that too in the fast lane. The guy was cornering and he hit... he had a head-on collision. He had a head-on collision and unfortunately passed away. See, there was no mistake of the biker there, but see who lost. So it's just that you have to be very careful. It's a survival game on the roads. Never be in a hurry. Always be vigilant. Keep looking around. Yeah, just be safe on the roads. There's a beautiful tank bund. Quite foggy. It rained last night after quite a few days. The weather is also pleasant. As you can see, the roads are all wet. I think it rained in the morning as well. Chalo, this is Qutub Shahi tombs, also known as 7 tombs. Met Shoaib near the junction. Also, Parani is not connecting. We'll have to stop maybe near a tea stall. We'll have our morning dose of tea or coffee, and then we'll figure it out there. This is Golconda, by the way. Golconda Fort. I mean, this is not the fort, these are the boundaries for the fort. The fort is somewhere inside. There's the fort. There's the fort. This is the entrance. That's the entrance. चाय पीनी है तो मटके में पियो करो दोस्तों, इसे बहाने देश की मिट्टी चूमने का मौका मिलेगा। चलो चलो चलो। I do not know. Mohit is also coming. I don't know why Shoiab did not inform me. So it's three of us. Next stop, refueling. Chalo, we're in, what is this? Golconda only, same area. बच्चों सबर करो।
So please सबर कराए सर।
अरे स्टिकरिंग करा लेना था बाइक पे। अरे क्या उछाल रहे भाई मट्टी। కొంచెం కొట్టాను చాలు 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 780 आप दे दो आने सड़ 780.4 है। अच्छा मैं दे देता हूँ ना, फ़ोन में ही है। रुको रुको, मैं सोचा कार्ड देता हूँ, कार्ड फ़ोन एक ही हो गया ना। कार्ड दे तू, मैं हर बार मैं दे देता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम। వేసినా गाल ఉన్నదా లేదా? है भाई शोएब भाई, आप फ़ोन नहीं पुरानी में। अरे फ़ोटो ले लेते, रुको मस्त आता फ़ोटो इधर पैरों के बीच में। बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस आ रहा, बहुत डिस्टर्बेंस। अच्छा उनकी वजह से चलते। बोलो वेल प्लेड। चलो आगे देखो, दियो उनको, जा रहा हूँ ना। ओके थैंक यू। अरे भाई अरे भाई मारो वैसा, रुको मत, शू खराब होता। देखो लग रही आ रहा, सामने आ रहा बारिश, 100% आ रहा वो है, पर सामने आ रहा, पक्का आ रहा। अरे भाई क्रॉस करो भाई इसको, जल्दी जाओ भाई। साला वाइजर पे पूरा कीचड़, वाइजर खोले तो मुंह पे कीचड़। ये क्या ट्रैफिक है, कहाँ गए अपन? पानी ऑन द राइट। अरे मस्त रहता इधर, आ जाओ, मैं खाया था इधर। ऐसा चीप नहीं रहता, पर यहाँ कहाँ, मैं गोवा जाने के वक्त खाया इधर फैमिली के साथ, मस्त रहता, परफेक्ट। स्टॉप्ड हियर टू हैव सम ब्रेकफास्ट, उडुपी उपहार। Shoaib is fueling up there. Look at what Shoaib did. There was a lot of mud, and because of the rain the bike's all dirty. Good thing I did not wash. See all this? Even this entire thing is all dirty. Chalo, we'll have breakfast and head out. Chalo, did some off-road here on this trail. Shoaib has recorded on his Insta 360. Let's see, अगर फुटेज देते हैं तो लगाते, अगर नहीं दिए क्या ही करें हम लोग। We just took a small break as it was raining a bit heavily. Had to put the GoPro inside and stuff. Now it stopped a little bit, still drizzling. I think that should be fine. We are around 20-25 kilometers away from the destination. The rain is irritating, man. Also this, I don't see a solution to make this GoPro setup waterproof. We'll have to figure out something to record even in the rain. 108 kilometers, 109 kilometers from my home. Around 20 more, so 130 kilometers of a ride. Also, whatever the footage I've told Shoiab has recorded, that didn't get recorded, so there's no footage of that. See, it's raining again. Ah, man. So it was raining and I put my GoPro inside. We came in this ground. There's a lake there. Shoaib wanted to do some trail. Fell down. Look at the gloves. Look at this liver guard. All bent. And all the content comes when the GoPro is inside. Wow. ट्रेल नहीं है बाय द वे, पूरा वो है देखो, बाउंड्री है उधर. Okay, I know, I mean, you must have not seen anything because I'm already in Patancher. I've taken the left, the service road, because we took a U-turn as it was raining very heavily. We got drenched, so I had to put the GoPro inside. So we did not go to the destination. We went around 110, 120, 30 something kilometers. We had to take a left from the main highway. We just took the left, and it was raining very heavily. So we thought, okay, let's not go there because we would not enjoy there as well, because it doesn't make it doesn't make sense, right? If it's raining heavily and you go to the location, you can't enjoy there. If we remove our helmets, the hair will get wet and everything. So we took a U-turn. We came back, and on the way there's this place called Chintal Ghat. There was a lake and there was this huge ground. So we thought, let's do some off-road and maybe try to reach the lake at least. When we were going, Shoaib, he fell. Just recorded one small clip on the phone. He fell down, and the gear rod on the left, gear lever, that got bent, and it was difficult to change or shift gears. That's a beautiful Defender. I love Defender, man. So we returned back from there. He is shifting gears, struggling to shift gears, just trying to, it went under the foot peg, so he's trying to kick it and change. So he found some method which is working. We came back. They are directly going to the showroom, Mueed and Shoaib. I took a left and I'm heading back home. I'm still drenched inside. So it was an adventurous ride, but without the destination, of course. We did not go there, so nothing to show today. No drone shots, no location views, nothing. It was just you can call it a breakfast ride. It's already 191 kilometers done, so by the time I reach home, I think that'll be 230, 240. Yeah, pretty decent breakfast ride. Okay, so nothing much to show. I'll end the vlog here. I know it was quite a short vlog with no much content. We tried to go, even we are a bit because we could not go to the place. We had that Etipotala falls as the location. Also checked with locals. It was it seems to be a good place, because even they told it is a very good place. So that did not happen. And there was this Chincholi Wildlife Sanctuary, I think, some sanctuary. I think it was Chincholi Wildlife Sanctuary. I am not sure of the name. I might be confusing it with some other name, but we had plans to go there also. I mean, it's like a jungle kind of thing, and you go through it and all that. So even that failed. Probably we would plan this again, so you would see this vlog, I mean the proper vlog there. Okay, I'll end it now. So keep supporting. I know I'm not dropping vlogs frequently. I'm not getting the time to edit, or yeah, I'm trying. So please like, share, subscribe, and show some love, which will give me motivation to edit faster and upload faster. Yeah, thank you. See you all in the next vlog. Peace.